Excited? I'm excited. I see Money blacked out over there.
Money's not. Money's asleep.
It's like the desert. First time in the sun.
I need sunglasses.
Wow.
I can't see nothing. Me neither.
It's real hot. Wow, this is nice. This is what we've been waiting for. Go left. Gotta find something. They're under the car. Do you feel like you're in Mamma Mia? All right, taste it.
Good. I've never seen a waffle like that before.
Right? We're in Greece.
The water's so cool that if you drop it, you can go get it.
Yeah, I know. You can see everything.
Yeah.
We're in the ocean in Naxos. It looks so good.
I feel amazing. I want to get a little floaty thing.
Yeah, and just
So
chill.
we can just chill out here.
It's so clear.
It's waterproof?
Yeah, you can go under. Swim under and record yourself.
Okay. Well, we're done. Okay.
Yeah, how do I float without trying?
You float.
Oh, okay.
You just gotta relax.
Are your ears underwater? I don't like my ears underwater. It's so good. Life is great. Life is great. Living the dream.
Living the dream. I'm so happy you could swim, T.
The thing is, I just can't do anything crazy.
No, I know people who just can't come out this far at all.
And the only reason I can come out this far is because the water's still.
Oh.
If there were waves, I wouldn't come this far. I definitely would go under. And I'm okay because I know I can float. So if all fails, I'll just lay on my back until someone saves me. See, look at her. She looks cool. I need to do that. I can try to do that, but it won't look as cool. My arms just don't move the right way. I need to stand up. So tired. Oh, finally. Oh god, which land? Oh, this water is just amazing.
with some fries. Is that one? Tzatziki. What's tzatziki?
Yeah. Well, I was gonna record the restaurant, then you started talking.
Exactly. You want to get the Greek salad to share? You want the fries to share?
You want the zucchini balls to share?
Yeah, I thought we were getting zucchini. Okay, we're getting the zucchini balls.
We get french fries everywhere we go.
Because they're the best. Yeah.
Let's try the zucchini instead.
Okay. And then I'll get the lamb chops.
Yes.
Okay, I know, right? That's what the potatoes are. Oh, potatoes, that looks good. We got a whole fish. Mm. We didn't even get yogurt. We got cake. He said the fast.
You gotta run and jump in. All right, go. Don't think about it. You're thinking about it too long. You're thinking about it too long. You just gotta dive. Oh God. I just swallowed so much salt water. I'm choking. Go. Huh? Swim.
Underwater?
Yep. Don't you want a cool video swimming under the water in Greece?
Let's scoot a little bit.
Go. You didn't make it. You gotta go
again.
farther. I'm further away. You're not going far enough. I can't touch here. I know. Uh-huh. You're gonna put the camera on there? Yeah, when you go down. Okay, go. What was that? What was it? I forgot to breathe out. Oh. I went up my nose. Dang, I didn't go far at all. You didn't go nowhere. Alright, I'm ready. Okay. What are you doing? Okay. How do I get the water out my nose? You gotta blow out when you go under. Blow out of your nose. But then it comes up. Then you hold. Then I stop. No, then you hold your breath. You don't suck it back in. Well, then the water's halfway up my nose. No, you just blow out just a little bit. I can't. I don't think my brain's connected to my nose. Just blow out a little bit. We are in Naxos, Greece right now. This is Miss Vonda's dream location. Yes! You feel like your dreams have come true. They have. I didn't realize the water was so cold. It's not that bad now that we're here. No. I need to float. I can't breathe. Go back to land. Why? I'm getting tired. Really? Everybody say, hey, Miss Vonda.
Hey.
Hey, Miss Vonda.
Hey, Miss Wanda. Is that what I'm supposed to say that?
Miss Vonda's making us go on a bus tour.
Because Taylor tried to be lazy and lay in the room all day yesterday. And wasted a whole day. Don't cut that out.
No, I'm not. I'm going to keep it. I wasn't lazy. I am a woman who has a time of the month, and I told her I'm in pain. I can't see. I'm seeing black, and she was yelling at me every 10 minutes to get out of the bed.
You are the first woman who's ever had a time of the month.
Just because I'm a spring chicken. I've got a fresh time of the month. Do you remember what that was like? She was trying to force me out of bed yesterday. I was in pain. I couldn't move. She's upset because I stayed in the bed yesterday because my body was
bleeding. So now she's forcing us on a bus tour to go see the city. Where is our bus tour even going? Do you know?
Yeah, on some windy roads to some little something that's 600 BC, and then to some wine, not wine, some olive oil thing. That's about all I remember.
Okay.
We will start with Dimitra's temple, the ancient, we will see the archaeological site. Then we will continue and visit the village Chalki that used to be the first capital of Naxos. Later we will go to see the church Panagia Drosiani. Panagia in Greek is the Virgin Mary, and this church is among the oldest churches in the Greece and in Balkan countries of since 4th century. After that we will go to see the big statue Kouros, the statue of marble of Greek ancient art. And at the end we will visit the village Egares, where we will see an old olive press and learn how they were making the production of olive oil the past years. And we will have also some tasting of olive oil and olives. So enjoy this tour with us, and thank you for joining us.
Walking up the side of a mountain
Yeah.
to go to a temple. Do you remember what she said about the temple?
No,
Okay.
it's old.
Okay. I said you look like an adventure girl in this wind. Gosh, I feel like we're in a tornado. Trip me. We're in the middle of nowhere and there's cicadas all around us. Yeah, they're coming together. Yes, it's proper mad, innit?
Maybe we should run.
Run. Go. Well, they're gonna get you.
That's all I got, man.
This is your last day in Greece. How do you feel?
So sad. I'm moving here.
She says she's moving here. Last day in Naxos. We're hiking to this huge monument that we don't.
Should go down here in this way.
Probably it's gonna take us the same way.
I don't know. That'd be a cool view over here, though.
All right, go that way. It's so windy out here. Naxos is known for having massive winds. Smile. You're on YouTube. YouTube. Getting some sun. We got the sunbeds. For the sunbeds, you have to spend $15 on the sunbed, and then you got to order $15 worth of food. So we're trying to decide what we're gonna get. What you thinking?
You want a Greek pizza?
They have this Greek pizza. It's basically a Greek salad, but on a pizza. So we might try it out. I'm not sure yet. This island we're staying on is known for its potatoes. It's everywhere we go. My mom orders potatoes. Okay, open. Open sesame. It's a little questionable. I will do a pizza taste test. This is a Greek pizza. It's basically Greek salad on a pizza. Oh, good.
Like it?
Yeah, it's good. It's like pizza. You want a donut? No, come back.
Did you get them?
Yeah, I want a donut.
This one. How much? Thank you.
This is our fresh donut. These donuts are so good. It's literally just donut with sugar on it.
Real quick, leaving.
Welcome to our Airbnb tour. Here's the kitchen. Are you 1.5?
Yes, I am.
Toilet.
Toilet,
This is where my mom slept.
mother,
Living room.
living room,
Crusty shower.
crusty shower with the washroom.
Yep. And this is where me and Martin slept.
Yay!
Let's go.
Somehow we have more stuff than we started with.
We're screwed, bro. And we have to try to make it to the ferry in the next 30 minutes. And it's going to be a 30-minute walk. And we have a disrespectful amount of stuff. So. See, no, this is why I'm trying to get rid of it. Because these waters are going to take me out going upstairs.
Is there a flat route? Should we go the Naxos Grillway?
No, just go straight that way. Yeah. Because that'll make our route longer. We're going to the port. That way straight. The one past the grocery store. Ah! Goodbye, Naxos. We're beginning our very long journey to Crete. Approximately a 6-hour ferry. And it's hot outside.